I just built 2 new one-person AI businesses in less than 24 hours using Higgsfield AI. And the second one is something I can almost guarantee you haven't heard of before. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps I use to build each one. No gatekeeping, how much they're potentially worth, showing you real stats and future growth potential, and the 5-step marketing strategy anyone can use to get your first customer if you want to test these out for yourself. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm also going to give you a free video checklist with all the prompts and steps from this tutorial laid out, so you know exactly what to do and can put what I'm about to show you into action. Everything you need to know is down in the description. Now, let's get started. See these 2 videos right here? I created these 2 videos completely with AI, just by entering one single prompt. I'm not kidding. They literally took me 10 minutes to create with Higgsfield Marketing Studio. They are not real human models, and the products were never sent to me to create these videos. But you're probably wondering, Stacy, what does this have to do with your 2 AI businesses? Well, this type of video, which is called UGC or user-generated content, is something brands and businesses will pay creators a lot of money to create, anywhere from $100 to $10,000 for each video on average, depending on the creator and the brand. I'm talking between 7 and 9 billion in revenue in 2025, and it's projected to grow to over $40 billion by 2031. But there's a huge problem. This type of video is super effective at selling products. The problem is it's super time consuming to create the old-fashioned way. So one single UGC video can take a human creator sometimes up to an entire month to create, which is the big problem for the brands paying for the content. They want a faster way to do this and are willing to pay for it. And that's where my first new AI business comes in, a UGC production service. Because I saw this huge bottleneck problem and am armed and ready to solve it with AI, because I can create valuable UGC videos like this in minutes. And I don't even need the product at all to do this. All I need is a few photos of the product in less than 10 minutes. Watch, and I'll show you. The link to access Higgsfield is down in the description, by the way, if you want to follow along and test this out for yourself. So the first thing you need is either a few actual product photos from the brand or business. The more angles, the better, like this. Or the even easier way to do this is the URL for the physical product website page. And remember, as I'm showing you this, that you can do this with any type of physical product business. Makeup, clothes, print on demand, food, jewelry, whatever physical product business you want to target. Next, what you're going to do is click on the Marketing Studio option here in the menu from within your Higgsfield account. That will take you to this screen here where you can see all of the options inside of the Marketing Studio, including the prompt box here where everything happens. From here, all you have to do is either upload the product images by clicking here, then select them to add them to the prompt box. Or again, the easiest way to do this is to take the URL for the product page, click the product button here, then paste the product URL right here. I'm using this product page just as an example for this tutorial. Then Higgsfield Marketing Studio will create the AI version of this product for you, so you can use it in your UGC video. Next, you need to choose which type of marketing video you want to create by clicking right here. For this video, I'm going to choose the tutorial style for this example, but you can see a list of all the other types of UGC content that you can choose from right here. Once you've chosen your video format, next you need to choose the avatar that you want to star in your video by clicking this avatar button right here. That will open the avatar library where you can choose from any of these pre-made avatars right here. You can also create your own AI avatar if you want to use something unique just for your business or brand. But for this video, I'm going to stick with a pre-made avatar. But if you want me to create a follow-up tutorial to this one showing you how to create your own custom AI avatars, let me know in the comments. And if enough people are interested, I'll create a full video on it. Once you have your avatar selected, the next thing you need to do is give Higgsfield a prompt telling it exactly what you want to happen in your video. Make sure you give it as much detail as possible. This is probably the most complicated part because you really need to have an idea of what you want the entire video to look like. But Higgsfield actually simplifies this part by giving you an entire library of prompt templates that you can use or learn from down here. All you have to do is find an example of the format of video you want to create. Click on it from the library, then the prompt will be automatically added into your prompt box. Now, this is super helpful, but I highly suggest you tweak this prompt to fit your product, or it will turn out exactly like the example. which might not fit your product. Or worse, it will look like everyone else's video, which is horrible for marketing and will literally destroy your UGC business. Once you've entered your prompt, the next really cool feature I don't see any other AI video platform have except for Higgsfield is this hook feature right here. When you click on it, here you can select the visual hook for your video that will grab the attention of the viewer. The next option you need to choose is the setting, which again, Higgsfield has a library of pre-built settings that you can choose from. All you have to do is select the one that fits whichever product or brand you're creating the video for. There's anything from super realistic settings like a bedroom or kitchen, or really wild settings like the wing of a plane, a roof of a car, or even a tiny mini shrunk human reviewer, which I actually kind of love. I'm gonna pick this one for my example video. The last thing you need to do is choose the aspect ratio, quality, and duration. Each one of these things will change the number of credits it takes to generate your video, which you can see right here. So make sure you pay attention to these settings. Once you've done that, hit generate and Higgsfield Marketing Studio will get to work creating your first UGC video. Now, it will take a few minutes to generate your video. So while that's generating, let me explain the second business I built with Higgsfield Marketing Studio, so we're not just sitting here staring at a blank screen. I promise I'll show you the video as soon as it's ready. So the second AI business I built with Higgsfield is a SaaS ad service. And you might be thinking, how is this different than your first business? Well, let me show you. So if you've been watching my content for a while, you already know that if you want to build a successful business, you need to niche down. You need to pick a specific target audience. And similar to the first AI business, which targeted physical product brands, this one I wanted to build to target tech brands, like SaaS companies whose products are completely digital, like apps. The reason why I chose this for the second business is because Higgsfield makes it super simple to do this because they have an option specifically for this type of video, which you can see here where it says app. When you click this button, it changes the marketing studio so that the videos created are specifically for digital products or apps. So this allows you to follow the same process I just showed you by adding the URL for a SaaS app or web app you want to create an ad for. To do that, click the app button right here, then paste the URL for the app. I'm using this example app right here. And I actually built this app myself, by the way, using one of my favorite vibe coding tools. If you want to know more about vibe coding apps that you can sell and then market like I'm showing you how to do right now, let me know that in the comments too. Letting me know what you want to learn from me helps me know what tutorials to create next. Next, select whether you want to create a mobile ad or a desktop ad. Then enter your prompt or use one of the pre-built prompt templates from the library down here. Don't forget to customize your prompt for the app you're promoting. Next, choose the AI avatar you want to be in your video. Next, choose the aspect ratio and the duration right here. Now, I know I went through this example quickly, but that's because it's really similar to the first example I showed you earlier. But don't forget, I give you all of these steps in my free video checklist that I created for this tutorial. So if you haven't already downloaded your copy, you can get it from the description. Now, once you've done that, hit generate and Higgsfield will get to work once again, generating your app ad. Now, it looks like our first video for the physical product UGC video is ready to view. So let's watch it together and see what it looks like.
This blender just changed my morning routine. One knob, that's literally all you need. Glass jar, not plastic. You can actually see everything inside. Look at this thing. Hear how quiet that is? First try, no chunks.
I mean, that's pretty wild. We created a perfect UGC video that would normally take a few weeks to plan, record, and edit manually, but we did it in less than 10 minutes with AI. And don't worry, right after this, I'm gonna give you an entire marketing plan for your new business so you can get actual paying customers. But first, let's look at our SaaS ad to see if it's as good as our first UGC video.
Wait, look at this app. It writes me a new affirmation every morning. Why is this so calming? I cannot stop using this app. This is genuinely the most peaceful thing on my phone right now.
I personally think this is a second win, and Higgsfield did a really great job on this one too. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think of both videos. But I know what you're also thinking. And yes, obviously, 2 videos is not a business, because the most successful businesses are the ones that are built around effective, efficient, and repeatable processes. And that's exactly what the Higgsfield Marketing Studio gives us: a simple, efficient, and repeatable process for generating consistently high-quality videos and ads with AI that you can then sell to other brands and businesses as a service. But speaking of customers, how are you going to get them? Well, let me show you by giving you my 5-step marketing plan so you can actually start making money with your AI videos. Because without customers, you don't have a business. And pay attention because this is the part that almost every other YouTube tutorial leaves out. But before I walk you through it, I have to be honest with you about one thing. This system is simple, but I wouldn't say it's easy in the sense that you're guaranteed your first customer instantly or guaranteed a specific amount of money. Anyone who promises you instant, easy customers or that you'll make a specific amount of money is lying. Sorry. What I mean is the only way either one of these online businesses I just showed you actually works is with volume. Meaning the more businesses you reach out to, the higher your chances are of landing your first client. And there's definitely ways to do the outreach part faster with AI. But the point is, if you skip the outreach part, none of this works, no matter how good your videos are. So keep that in mind as I walk you through the 5 marketing steps. Okay, so marketing step 1 is to pick one niche and stick to it. So instead of being someone who makes AI videos for businesses, you become the person who creates AI UGC videos specifically for skincare brands or specifically for mobile gaming apps. Specialists make way more money than generalists every single time. So pick one niche, practice your AI video skill, and don't even think about switching or branching out until you've actually given it a real shot. Now, marketing step number 2 is to create a portfolio of examples. This might sound obvious, but this is something I see so many beginners make. You have to remember that this is a show, not a tell business. You can DM 100 skincare brands or SaaS brands telling them you make amazing AI UGC ads, but if you have no proof to show them or no examples of how you can solve their problem, they're not going to say yes. And they're definitely not going to pay you. So before you reach out to anyone, go do exactly what I just showed you in the first half of this video. Pick 5 to 10 different brands in your niche, use higgsfield to create one UGC or SaaS ad for each brand, then save it to a Google Drive, or even better, build a portfolio website showcasing your work. That's it. That's your portfolio. Now, marketing step number 3 is to build a list of leads. Without a list of leads or potential customers, you have no business. And creating a list of leads isn't exactly hard, but it is kind of time consuming and tedious if you try to do it yourself. I actually created another video showing you how to use AI agents to build lead lists in just a few minutes. You can watch that video by clicking on it up here or linked in the description. So I'm not going to go into the AI lead list building in detail in this video, but basically to do it for free or as a beginner, you can search Google, LinkedIn, Meta ads, Shopify stores, marketplaces, or anywhere where your target business type typically is online. Then start saving 20 to 30 businesses each day into a Google Sheet. Grab their phone number, their email, their Instagram, their website, as much information as you can. You want to be able to contact them through more than one channel because some business owners check their email, some check DMs, some only answer the phone. The more ways you can reach them, the better your odds. Now, marketing step number 4 is the actual research. And this is where most people usually overthink it and freeze. To do your outreach, you have a few options. You can email them, you can send Instagram DMs, you can call them, or you can walk in and talk to the person face to face if it's a local business that's close to you. Now, I'm actually kind of an introvert myself, even though you might not think that because I show my face all over the internet, but I always recommend starting with email and DMs because that's what most online business owners are most comfortable with. But the truth is, all of these contact methods work, but only if you actually do them. And like I said a minute ago, you got to do them at volume. So a realistic goal would be reaching out to at least 10 to 20 businesses per day for your first month. That might sound like a lot, but if you use AI to help you write email and DM templates and AI agents to send the emails for you automatically, it's actually a lot faster than you think. If you want me to create another follow-up tutorial to this one showing you how to set up an AI client outreach agent, let me know in the comments and I'll create another video on that too. Now, step number 5, and this is the one that can actually increase how much your business makes without doing more work, is to bundle your offer. And this is something most YouTube gurus will gatekeep. But what I mean is, instead of selling your videos one at a time, you want to create a bundle of videos that you can sell per month. This is also known as a retainer. Basically, you offer each business a set number of videos every month for a set price. That means instead of making just $200 per UGC video one time, you can charge $5,000 for a bundle of videos for each month. This makes your outreach much more effective and allows you to have less clients while increasing your income. And a bonus step, don't overthink it. The faster you take the first step and start creating your first AI video, the closer you are to landing your first customer. Now, don't forget, the link to access Higgsfield Marketing Studio is down below this video, as well as inside my free checklist that you can download from the description. And if you want even more help with building real online businesses with AI, I also run a community where I go live to answer your questions in real time, share everything that's working for me right now, and also share live tutorials with even more detail. The link to join my community is also down in the description, and hopefully I see you there.